It is the time of year where cooties are everywhere, so make some homemade cough syrup with me. All you need is 3 ingredients: oranges, sea salt, and honey. You're gonna start off by slicing your orange in half, sprinkling sea salt, and throwing that in the microwave for about a minute. It'll look something like this. You'll need a towel or something to not burn your hand. You're gonna squeeze the orange juice out of it. I squeezed the juice of 4 orange and bottled what I wasn't going to use and added honey. I'll add the honey as I go. Now look how quickly that just escalated. Again, I'm only adding enough honey to 1 little serving size. And if any mama has a secret of how you don't get sick every time these kids get sick, let me know in the comments. Anyways, hope this helps with your coughs. Peace out.